The ECDL qualification is accredited by BCS, the British Computer Society. They offer qualifications at a number of levels. They offer the Level 1 award and the Level 2 award and the Level 3 award. At ACL Essex, we offer Level 1 and Level 2. More information about the qualifications can be found at bcs.org. For both the Level 1 and Level 2 ECDL qualifications, we offer the modules for Microsoft presentation software, which is using PowerPoint, spreadsheet software using Excel, Microsoft Excel, and word processing software using Microsoft Office. These units are delivered both at Level 1 and Level 2. At Level 2, there is an additional qualification called Improving Productivity. The Improving Productivity draws upon the set of Microsoft Office skills, both in presentation, spreadsheet, and word processing software, to apply that knowledge in a real-life scenario. Once you have completed your enrolment at Adult Community Learning Essex, for your first session, you'll be directed to our online learning platform, our virtual learning environment at moodle.essexacl.ac.uk. Type that address directly into the address bar and it will take you to our online platform. You'll be then required to log in and then follow the link to all courses. Scroll down to Information Technology, and under this section over here you can see all the different courses that are delivered under IT. You scroll down to the level that you're working at with your tutor's name. For example, ECDL IT Level 1 with Sophia Harty, or ECDL IT Level 2 with Sophia Harty. On enrolment, your details will be communicated to our exams office and they'll set you up an account with your exams platform with BCS. BCS stands for British Computer Society. The website address for this online platform is ecdluk.psionline.com. Once you type that into your address bar, press your enter key, it will take you to this login in screen. Your username starts with a BCS in capitals with a long number, 11 to 12 numbers. Enter your password. You can change your password once you've logged in. The ECDLPSIonline.com webpage is where you complete your courseware and your mock exams, otherwise known as diagnostics, and your end of module tests. There's courseware allocated for each module to complete, so you learn through at your own pace, following the on-screen instructions for both word processing, presentations and spreadsheets, and complete the diagnostic mock exams at the end of each module. You then negotiate your exam date with your tutor. Additional resources to help you through your qualifications are on the ciatraining.co.uk website, ciatraining.co.uk. This website contains the course manuals that complement the ECDL qualification at Level 1 and Level 2 that we use in our centre. On the left hand side, if I go to ECDL Extra and scroll down the list, there are links to the course manuals for word processing, presentation and spreadsheet, including the final module Improving Productivity at Level 2. BCS ITQ Level 2. I'm going to follow the link here for ECDL word processing software, and it will take me through to the different versions, depending on what version software you have at home. In our centres, we use 2013. However, we are aware that some of our learners have Word 2016 on their computers. Just communicate that information with your tutors and we will allocate you the right exam for the platform that you're working on. You can see here the full cost for a brand new copy of the book. However, second-hand copies are available on eBay and Amazon for a few pounds. The word processing module take you through the contents. We look at the screen layout, menus, toolbars and the task pane, the help function, creating a document, entering text, saving, opening and closing documents, saving in various formats, editing text, previewing and printing documents, formatting text, cut, copy and paste, checking spelling and adding to the dictionary, searching for and replacing text, preferences, alignment, indentation and spacing, bullets and numbering, tabs, multiple documents, headers, footers, page numbers, creating and formatting tables, document setup, styles, mail merge, pictures and charts. The most challenging part of the word processing module at level 2 is probably the mail merge. The level 1 module pretty much covers all of these areas except the mail merge. I'm going to navigate back to the ECDL Extra qualifications page for this publisher, and now I'm going to scroll down to presentation software, and again the brand new cost for a brand new book costs this amount. However, second-hand copies for lesser versions, older versions of the software are available on eBay and Amazon. So 2003, 2007, 2010, 2013, 2016, 2016 on Office 365. The learning areas at presentation software level 2, also known as our PowerPoint unit. We look at recognizing the screen layout, creating presentations from wizards, using the menus, toolbars and task pane, the help menu, changing preferences, working in different views, opening, saving and closing presentations, creating blank presentations, adding and deleting slides, changing slide layout and design, formatting text, using cut, copy and paste, applying animation, working with master pages, create and modifying organizational charts, insert and animate images, insert manipulating objects, applying transitions, setting up a slideshow and printing. Again, probably the hardest topic area at level 2 for the presentations module is probably the master slides and working within organizational charts. Master slides are a type of template to keep the design standard and consistent throughout the presentation. Organizational charts were used for annotating hierarchical organizations. So all of these topic areas are covered at level 1, but probably more depth would be the inserting and animating images and formatting shapes. The master slide and the organizational charts are not covered on the level 1 qualification. I'm going to navigate back up to the top, still within the CIA training.co.uk webpage where the course manuals can be purchased from, and go back up to ECDL Extra. And now I'll look at the ECDL spreadsheet software manual. And again, the full cost for a brand new version of the textbook, otherwise second-hand copies are just as good on eBay and Amazon. And the different versions of the software for depending on what textbook you're going to order. Purchasing of these manuals are not compulsory or obligatory on this course. If you're doing a level 1 qualification, you may get by with just the courseware on the ECDL platform, the PSI platform, for the word processing and the word presentation module. However, if you're working at level 1 and looking at definitely progressing on to level 2, which is a very easy gap to make, and you're wondering what manuals you should purchase, I'll probably go straight in and purchase the spreadsheet level 2 manual rather than the level 1 manual to save some costs, because it's good for when you gain employment and you're in the office after you complete the course and you want to refer back to certain sections. It's nice to have a copy of this in your bag available, just in case you want to refer back to a formula or a function. So just scrolling down to the contents on the level 2 spreadsheets module, we look at the screen layout, the menus, toolbars and task panes, moving around, help, preferences, opening, saving and closing workbooks, entering data, saving in various formats, basic formulas, multiple workbooks and sheets, manipulating sheets, editing cells, duplicating and moving data, finding and replacing text, sorting data, page setup, previewing and printing, formatting data and cells, inserting, deleting rows and columns, functions and addresses, and charts. To enrol onto our qualification, visit our website aclessex.com and straight to our ECDL qualifications page /digital-skills-ECDL/. That will take you directly to our ECDL page, which stands for a European Computer Driving Licence. If you scroll down, there's a bit more information about funding and our courses and our locations. Adult Community Learning Essex, we aim to run a day mode and an evening for our learners at each of our centres. For example, if you were enrolling onto our course at Basildon, we have options for a daytime course on a Thursday morning, as well as offering for a Monday and a Tuesday evening. And same at Chelmsford, for example, but we offer the daytime learning on a Monday morning and an evening mode on a Wednesday. This allows learners then to be able to, if they gain employment and they were on a daytime mode, that they can transfer their enrolment to an evening mode in order to complete the qualification. Just as a note, during this recording was made during lockdown due to the COVID crisis. Currently, we are offering our learning online through either Zoom, Microsoft Teams, as well as the virtual learning environment. Whichever video conference software you have available or not available, as long as you have internet connection, so that you can log into the ECDL psionline.com page. If you are looking at digital online, headphones and a microphone are important, as well as internet connection and an email address so that you can stay in touch with your tutor. And the progression from level 1 to level 2 is an easy jump on the ciatraining.co.uk. If you follow the BCS ITQ link, and you can see